Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today, we're diving into Llama.vim, a Vim plugin offering local LLM-assisted code and text completion. It's pretty exciting, isn't it?
Absolutely. This sounds incredibly useful for boosting productivity. So what's the core functionality?
At its heart, Llama.vim provides on-the-fly suggestions as you type in Vim's insert mode. You get auto-completion powered by a local LLM, eliminating the need for internet connectivity. Think of it as having a super smart code assistant right inside your editor.
That's a game changer. How does the suggestion mechanism work? Is it just keyword-based, or is it more sophisticated?
It's far more sophisticated. It uses a context window around your cursor, pulling in information from the current file, other open buffers, and even your yanked text. This gives the LLM a much richer understanding of what you're trying to do.
I see. So it's not just looking at the immediate line, but at a broader context. That's smart. How do you control the scope of that context?
You can configure it. The plugin lets you adjust the size of the context window, allowing you to fine-tune the balance between accuracy and performance. It even supports incredibly large contexts, even on less powerful hardware, thanks to clever context reuse techniques.
That's impressive, especially the optimization for low-end hardware. What about accepting suggestions? Is it just a simple tab completion?
It's more nuanced than that. You can accept a suggestion with tab, or just the first line with Shift plus tab. You can also manually toggle suggestions with Control plus F, giving you complete control over the process. Plus, you can control the maximum generation time to prevent excessively long waits.
Nice. So it's highly configurable. What about installation? Does it require a lot of setup?
The installation is relatively straightforward. It supports both Vim plug and Bundle. The real key is setting up the Llama.cpp server, which is the engine driving the LLM. You'll need to download and run that separately, choosing a model size based on your VRAM. They provide pre-built binaries, making it easier.
So it relies on Llama.cpp. That makes sense. And what about the models themselves? What are the recommendations?
They recommend several models from the Hugging Face collection, specifically those compatible with the GGML format. They provide different sizes, allowing you to choose one that fits your hardware. Larger models offer better performance, but require more VRAM.
Makes sense. So it's a trade-off between performance and resource consumption. Are there any performance metrics displayed?
Yes. The plugin displays performance stats, showing you things like context size, generation time, and the number of tokens processed. This helps you understand how the plugin is performing and identify potential bottlenecks.
That's really helpful for debugging and optimization. Are there any limitations or downsides?
Well, the main limitation is the reliance on Llama.cpp and the need for sufficient VRAM. Larger models are slower and need more memory. Also, it's currently Vim specific, although they have a Versus code extension in the works.
Right, that's a fair point. But overall, it seems like a powerful tool for developers. Thanks for the overview.
My pleasure. It's a really exciting development in local LLM integration for code completion. And remember to check out the GitHub repo for more details and examples. Thanks for listening to Tech Bytes and News. Have a great day.
Bye-bye.